Today's video is about our last day with English therapy, what they serve us at the buffet, what we ate, and how much fun we had. Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all fit and fine. I am your Shubha Bhaiya. Today I come again with a new video. For many days you have been asking why I don't speak English after finishing English therapy. So today I discussed to speak everything in English. Today was my last day and it was also our farewell day. On this day we had a buffet for lunch. So I took a little bit for every food one by one because I cannot eat too much. That's why I took only a small amount of food. After taking food once, my belly was already full, and since I can't eat much, I took a small amount of every food. I took biryani, then some mutton. After that, I took a little bit of everything, starting for the salad because I really like salad. I thought the cashew salad would be very good, but it was not tasty at all. But the apple salad was really delicious. After taking everything, I went to a table and sit down there. I ate almost everything that I had taken. After that, I went to the dessert section. When I saw all dessert, I got really confused about what to eat first because I love dessert so much. I wanted to make a nice video there, but no one could record me properly because they don't know how to hold the camera well. I always record it nicely for my friends, but they can't do the same for me. When can do? Anyway, it's a bit sad, but I still took some desserts and enjoyed them nicely. Everything was really delicious. আমি জানি আমার ইংলিশ বলে এতটা ভালো নয়, কারণ আমি নতুন নতুন শিখছি, সেজন্য ভুল ভ্রান্তি থাকতেই পারে। এখন হয়তো এটা তোমরা হাসাহাসি করবেন, সবকিছু করবেন, কিন্তু কিছু করার নাই। তো চলো লাস্ট মুহূর্তে সবাই ডান্সের মাধ্যমে কিভাবে এনজয় করবো সেটা দেখ।
আমি জানতাম তুমি শেষ মুহূর্তে খাবা এরকম করে, তুমি যে পেটুক সেটা আর প্রমাণ দেখছো। আমি জানতাম তুমি খাবা, এটা কি ঠিক কও তুমি? আমি একদমই খাই নাই ভাই, আমি একবার খাইছি। আরে এই বেটা কয়বার যে খাইছি আল্লাহ জানে।
তো আজকের মতো ছিল ভিডিও এই পর্যন্তই। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট শেয়ার করে দিবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।